Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Angular 14 micro frontend application setup. The complete setup we are going to discuss today. So if you follow these 9 steps you can achieve the micro frontend application setup. So directly we can go into the video now. So here I already created all the setup and everything. So just I go through one by one, step by step I mean. So first we have to create the workspace. Okay, following these commands you can create the workspace. So I already created this one. So apart from that, the next step is like we have to create the projects folder. That also I already created. So as a third step we have to create the applications. So we can create any number of applications we can create. For the sample I created only 2 applications. The cell is the main and jobs is the sub one. So I already created with the routing and the styles, SCSS styles. So apart from that we have to install the npm I Angular Architects module federation. So that one also we have to install. You can see here I already installed module federation. So after that we have to add the module federation to each project. So you can see here shell and jobs. I already added that one. That's the reason we are seeing this webpack config.js file. Just follow these steps to achieve the MFE setup. So for the jobs you can see, for the jobs also I already added. So here you can see the complete setup. This I will go through later. And also we have to add the shell feature and jobs feature. Routings actually. So if you see in the source and app folder, shell feature, within that I am having the shell feature module plus routing module. So the same setup you also follow. Apart from that, the jobs you can see here jobs feature module and then jobs routing module. In the next step we have to create the components. So dashboard and search jobs. You can see here search jobs. Within that I mean the jobs feature and I created one component. Same as well as under the shell feature I created one component. So everything have been created. Now in detail we go into the setup now. You see here like Angular JSON. Once you follow all these steps you can see here there are 2 projects has been created here. So shell and then jobs. So if you see in the shell, the main thing is this is the one, port number 4200 for the shell. For the jobs I created, I set up 4201. This is the main thing. And then if you see here in the shell, webpack config file is here, the same setup you can follow. And then in the jobs web config file you can see this, the module, which module we are going to use, that module I included here. Okay, this is the main. Okay, so in the app routing module we have to include the jobs feature module. So I included here. And then mainly we have to focus on app routing module. If you see here, first I want to display the dashboard from the shell, so that I included already. The next one is jobs, so I added that load remote module. So using that module federation I added here jobs feature module we have to add. You see here some configuration we have to give. For that I am reading from appsettings.json. If you see here I given the jobs as a name and then 4201 and then module. These things you have to follow. I'm just reading from there. You will be facing some error, so we have to set up here in the app settings, that line number 32, app settings, right here, as well as here, line number 111. So once these all the setup done, this is the main thing. So art card also I can set up here. Okay, now we have to run both shell as well as jobs. Both we have to run. You can see the result here actually. Jobs, dashboard. Both are different projects, but I can run using this MFE application setup. So dashboard and jobs. So if suppose I want to run only one, so jobs, stopping the jobs. Let's refresh. It's automatically going because it's not running, so it will not be working. So you can see here 4201 is not running, only the dashboard is running. So this is the complete setup. I mean the Angular 14 MFE application setup. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks.